Your brain is not a static organ. It's a physical masterpiece that reshapes itself every single time you learn something new. Today, we're exploring the science of neuroplasticity and how your daily habits physically alter your internal biological architecture. Neuroplasticity is the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize its structure by forming new neural connections throughout life. When you practice a new skill, playing guitar or learning a language, your neurons fire together in specific patterns. With enough repetition, these pathways strengthen through a process called myelination, which acts insulation on a wire, making signal transmission lightning fast. Essentially, the brain is pruning unused connections while fortifying the ones you use most frequently. It's a literal transformation of your cognitive hardware. You might assume that only intense study creates change, but the reality is more surprising. Even fleeting thoughts or minor environmental shifts trigger structural adjustments. However, deep learning requires concentrated focus. Without it, the brain remains in a baseline state of maintenance. This is why cramming rarely leads to long-term mastery, while spaced repetition physically thickens the gray matter involved in memory. But what if I told you that your brain is also constantly fighting to protect itself from your own learning? Surprisingly, the brain often resists change because it craves efficiency, prioritizing energy, saving habits over new, difficult cognitive tasks. To truly rewire your brain, you must move past the initial friction phase where your mind feels exhausted. By pushing through, you force your brain to generate new synaptic bridges, effectively upgrading your intellectual capacity. You're the architect of your own mental evolution. Learning is not just about acquiring information. It's about physically upgrading your brain to handle higher levels of complexity. Every lesson mastered makes the next one easier, reinforcing a positive cycle of growth. If you found this insight into your brain's potential valuable, please hit that button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of human performance.